Right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close your Tesla's trunk with ease, guys. So it's actually really easy and simple. To open the trunk, okay, you need to just locate the trunk release, guys. You have a few options. You can open the trunk using the key fob, the touch screen, or the trunk button on the vehicle itself. You'll see right here, guys. It's the trunk button. You're going to see that right there. So if you want to use the key fob, just press and hold the trunk button on your key fob until the trunk pops open, right? And if you're using the touchscreen, guys, you just want to tap on the controls icon, then select trunk to open it from the display. And if you want to use the trunk button, guys, simply press the trunk button that's located just above the license plate, okay, on the rear end of the car. That's what you want to click on, okay? Just press that button. And then, guys, just lift the trunk lid, of course. If it doesn't automatically lift all the way, just give it a gentle push to fully open it. Now, to close the trunk, guys, you can just either lower the trunk lid, okay? To close the lid, gently lower the lid until it's halfway down, then let it drop to close securely. Or you can just use the button to close. Alternatively, guys, you can use the trunk button on the touchscreen or key fob to close it automatically, guys. And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further, guys.